Before we begin, take a moment and subscribe to Daily English Dose. This channel helps you build real English confidence through simple daily habits. Today's episode is special. We're not just learning English, we're building a morning routine that slowly improves your speaking, listening, and confidence without stress. You don't need hours. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need a few calm minutes every morning. Let's start. Imagine you just woke up. Your mind is fresh. This is the best time to learn English. The first habit is thinking in English for 1 minute. Don't speak yet. Just think. Say in your mind, I just woke up. My day is starting. Today will be productive. This trains your brain to stop translating. Now, the second habit, simple self-talk. Say out loud, slowly, I'm getting ready. I feel a little sleepy. I need some energy. These are real thoughts, real English. Don't worry about accent. Clarity is enough. The third habit is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Smile a little. Say, "Good morning. I can speak English. I'm improving every day." This builds confidence, not just language. Now, let's add listening practice. While brushing your teeth or making tea, play a short English podcast. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen. Your brain is learning patterns. Next habit, repeat one sentence. Choose just one sentence you hear. Repeat it slowly. Repeat it clearly. That's enough. One good sentence is better than 10 rushed ones. Now, let's talk about daily planning in English. Ask yourself, what do I need to do today? What is important today? Answer in simple English. I have work. I need to study. I will relax in the evening. This connects English to real life. The next habit is learning one phrase only. For example, I'll take care of it. Say it slowly. Say it again. Use it today if you can. Small steps create fluency. Now, let's do a short speaking flow together. Listen first. My morning is calm. My mind is clear. I'm ready for the day. Now, say it again with confidence. Excellent. The next habit is accepting mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Fluent speakers made thousands of mistakes. So will you. And that's okay. Let's slow down again. Take a breath. Say quietly, "I'm doing my best." Language grows when the mind is relaxed. Now imagine this routine: 5 minutes of thinking, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of listening. That's all. Consistency matters more than speed. If you do this every morning, English becomes part of your life. Not a subject, not pressure, a habit. Your comment activity today is simple. Write one English sentence you will say every morning. Subscribe to Daily English Dose for calm, daily English practice. See you in the next lesson.